Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I've got another Nerf gun to repair here. All these Nerf guns I've done in the previous year all belong to my nephew. And just like most boys, he's pretty hard on his toys. This one he has just gotten for his birthday. And it's a minigun style. This thing spins around and it's battery powered. It shoots the Nerf darts out with a bandolier. It's pretty sick little, pretty neat little toy. Problem he's having is inside here there's that orange roller that's coming down from the top. It's supposed to have what looks like I guess a tire or something that spins like this, and it's what actually shoots the dart out from the bandolier through these little slots right there, and it's missing that rubber piece. So it's completely missing. I don't know what I'm going to use, but I got something in the garage that might work. So first things first, I'm going to split it apart and get to it and see what I can use to replace that. Alright, so to get this last screw here, I needed an extra deep screwdriver, so I basically just cut the end off my little guy here like that. Now I should be able to just barely reach it to get it out of there, hopefully. Get it? Yay! See how easy it comes apart when you get all the screws out? Alright. Oh great, where'd that come from? That's gonna be fun. Oh, that's probably part of this trigger. Yep. I think that goes in there somehow. I'll figure it out. Alright, so we are after this guy. Let me get some needle nose pulled. Alright, that's it there. That's the thing that actually fires all these Nerf darts out. And it's missing the rubber that goes around here. I have an idea. I have an O-ring kit that could work if it's grippy enough. So what I might do is get my kit out, put the O-ring on there, and then see if that'll do it. Okay, I got my O-ring kit here, but I've also got another kit here. This is a water faucet sealing washer kit, and I think I might go with these rather than the O-rings because these are kind of squared off, and that channel is kind of squared off like that. So I think these might work better. Plus, they're a little bit softer and they grip better. These O-rings here, although they may fit around this wheel, I'm not sure how well they're going to grip the dart and actually shoot it out. I think these are going to be a bit better. So this is what we're going to go with. I think I'm going to go with this size. I've got an assortment of sizes, but this size here is just a little bit shorter, and I should be able to stretch it around that, which will hold it tight better also and give it about the thickness we need. So I got a pair of tiny little snap ring pliers here that will stretch this pretty easily. Stretch that out, put it over here, and see if I can't get something started. There we go. Now it's just a matter of taking some needle nose and kind of making sure it's squared off, because it's kind of like lumpy right now, so got to get it straight all the way around this. And then we'll begin disassembling it and seeing if I can't figure out where all those pieces go back together. Alright, think I got this around here pretty good. It's a little bit lumpy. It's not completely symmetrical, but I think it'll work. Spin, 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 shoot dart. It feels like it grips it pretty easy. So I'm gonna roll with it. We'll see what happens. So reassembling this thing, these things are always kind of a puzzle when you first get them apart. But I'm noticing already that that has got a little notch in it right there, and this where it mounts to has also got a little notch in it. So that faces down like that, and then the motor that spins that. So I know I've got that right, and that shaft. So that shaft goes inside another part on this piece here when I put that down. But there's something else I got to figure out. This butterfly trigger mechanism, I believe, mounts this way. So when you press on it, this kind of releases something. But, oh, I see, it presses that trigger right there. So the spring looks like it goes, come on. The spring looks like it goes on that, like that, and then around that here, and then inside that little slot, like that. So I should be able just to leave that in there, hopefully. Come on. While I reassemble everything. Alright, I figured out where this piece goes that fell out. It goes here on this, and I believe what this is a lock. This has a little tripod it came with, so you can put it on a tripod and go, you know, and I believe that's a little lock for that tripod. So there, I think I figured out where all the pieces go. Now I can put the other half on and a couple screws, and we can test it out. Here, it makes way more sense when it's all back together. Alright, now the trick is to put the second half on here without moving anything around and getting springs to be flung off and all that stuff. So, and making sure the wires don't get pinched. So here goes nothing. There we go. Yay! I think that worked. Line the holes. Come on. It's so close. There we go. Boom. Okay. Throw a few screws in here. I don't have to do all of them, just enough to test it. So I'm gonna do that right now. Just don't want it to come apart while I'm flinging darts. Alright, let's do a little bit of a functions check here. It's all working. Okay. Alright, let's load a bandolier and see if it'll fire. Alright, so I got a few darts here. My nephew was kind of stingy with his darts, so I didn't get a full bandolier, but that's okay. We're going to start by shoving that in there. We're going to hit the trigger, get it started, and now we can test it. that O-ring's gonna work, it should fire these. Oh yeah! I did it! Heck yeah! Alright, there it is, all done and fixed. I put all the screws back in it, got the handle back on. She's good to go for Christmas. So, anywho, that's how I fixed the Xshot Insanity and Xshot Insanity. Yeah, that's how I fixed that. Yep. So if you guys like what I do on the channel, maybe, I don't know, subscribe, and then maybe every once in a while also hit the like button. All right, we'll see you guys in the next one.